recently bought this. It's a 1991 Pierce Lance, and yes, it is yellow, so its nickname is the Banana. I bought it from a dealership, who in turn got it from the town of Branford, Connecticut. It's got 69,000 miles on it. It's been used heavily, but yeah, it's a pretty overall nice truck. Some rot on the body, nothing major. All the lights work, the siren doesn't yet, and everything is how you see it. Obviously, there's going to be some work done. The badging will need to be replaced. All the lights that are on it will be slowly switched over to LED. It has a Cummins L10 motor coupled to an Allison HT740 transmission, I believe. But it starts right up every time. So if you stick around, I'll be doing more videos of it as the weather obviously gets warmer, because it's a brisk 20 degrees outside right now. So yeah, stick around. We're gonna have some fun with this baby. So, I don't know if you can hear me or not, but here we are on the inside of it. It's pretty spacious. You know, there's the siren controller is supposed to be right over there. That's going to be replaced. Gotta fix the horn because it's missing. Here it is. A little broken. But, yeah, so these two fans right here work. That's nice to blow hot air at you. Horn's got to get fixed. So, this charger doesn't work for the flashlights. They did give me a flashlight. If the camera will zoom in, here we go. You can see 4 across the back. And they were nice enough to give me some parts of electrics. It's a split tab, so if I have to lift it, only the front part of it comes up, which is kind of annoying. 6,000 hours and 69,000 miles. It actually had 68,007 something, but it's my little toy, so I've been racking the miles up on it. So yeah, everything works. Even stupid little dome lights, they work. Spotlights work, kind of. So we should have some fun with this thing. Yeah, I think that's going to be it all for today, because it's kind of chilly out, and it does have a Jake brake. Who doesn't love a Jake brake? Probably the first thing I'm going to do with this thing is do a straight pipe on the exhaust. But I'll have you guys along the ride, and yeah, we'll have some fun.